Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to recover your Facebook account without email and phone number. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. If you're unable to get into your account without your email and your phone number, then it's going to be kind of tricky to get back your account. However, you don't need both to get your account. You only need one to receive that verification code. So if we're in this process of logging in and you forgot your password, what we're going to do is hit forgot password, and we're going to go through the process of resetting your password, and we're going to get a verification code. You don't have to use your phone number if you don't have access to that number anymore. You can use the email that's associated as well by just clicking on email, then putting in your email or your full name here. So I'm just going to put in my name. Hit search. It'll bring up all these different options. You choose which account is yours. Then it's going to send a verification code. I'm going to hit try another way. I'm going to use my email. I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to get a verification code to my email. I'll put it in here and it will let me reset the password and regain access. If you're not getting this verification code, perhaps you forgot your email password as well. My suggestion to you is to go through Gmail or Yahoo, whatever it is, and reset the password there so that you can get this verification code. Because without the verification codes, there's no other way to go ahead and get into your account. However, there is a workaround if you've already set up your confirm identity through Facebook prior to getting locked out. I'll do that by hitting the no longer have access to these, and it brings me to this page, which is the recovery page. I'll put in that new email address that I actually have access to. So the last step in recovering this process, if you aren't able to get the verification codes on your own, is to go and reach out to your trusted contacts, which is set up through Facebook prior. So basically you can reveal the contacts by hitting reveal contacts, and you could type in their full names here and hit confirm, and they will go through and give you those numbers. Then once you call them, you're going to ask them to go to facebook.com/recover. They will have to then obtain this verification code, and you'll have to do that 3 times to all 3 friends, and then hit continue. Then you can unlock your Facebook account. Basically, this is going to take a long time to do, so if you can just go back and reset your email password, then that would be way better and way quicker than going through this entire trusted contacts process. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.